Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Najwa. I'm a makeup freak. I love makeup. I love different styles of makeup, and I also love arts. So if we share the same interests, why not you hit the subscribe button? And if you like this video, why not you give it a thumbs up? Without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So first thing first, I'm gonna clean up my brows because I'm gonna cover it, so I have to make sure there's no oil stain around my brows or even on top of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this aloe vera cleansing tissue and just wipe my brows. Once that is done, I'm gonna use my small fan, this cute bear fan, to dry up my brows. Then I'm gonna take Elmer's Cool Glue Stick, which is the purple color. I'm gonna rub it all over my brows. Then before it dries, I'm just gonna brush off my brows upwards like this using disposable mascara wand. Another method that I like to use is using this brush. I don't know what you call this, but I use the comb side and push it up, and the brush side to flatten it. Then I'm gonna take my fan again to dry up the glue. While using the fan, I'm just gonna flatten up my brows. Then I take the cleansing tissue and remove any excess glue so that it won't clump when we apply foundation later. I repeat this step several times so that I make sure my brows become really flat to my skin. Well, hello, hi, it's me from the future. Just a quick thing I want to clarify here. I think this step is unnecessary because in the end of the day, my brows doesn't really look that blue in the camera, so I'm kind of frustrated about it. But if you have a brighter blue, like totally outstanding neon kind of blue, and you want to put it on eyebrows, I think this step is very cool to do it, and then you apply your brows, and then maybe the color will pop more than mine. So it's totally up to you. It's totally optional if you want to cover up your brows or not, okay? Just that I want to put it out there so that you don't think that, oh, why should I waste my time covering the brows, and in the end of the day it doesn't really look good in the camera, just like I did. So yeah, now back to the video. Then I take this loose powder by Revlon and baked my brows all over it to make sure there's no moisture on top of it. Then I take my favorite fan again. Then I take my powder brush and remove the powder excess. Once that is done, I'm gonna take my favorite concealer by Dermacol in the code 213 to cover up my brows. Then I'm gonna take my favorite foundation ever. This is Phoera Cosmetics foundation in the code 105 Sand. Come out. Come out. Dude, come on. Where are you? Oh, this is sad. I'm gonna take it from the palm. To make my foundation looks even more better and more smoother, cool. To make my foundation looks better and smoother, I'm gonna use this Velvet Beauty Sponge by O2O. I use the same concealer to cover up my under eye circle. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Then I'm gonna use the same loose powder by Revlon to bake my whole face. I use this Imagic face paint, and first color I'm gonna take is this dark, I think this is royal blue. Doesn't really show. It's not really dark blue, it's almost like royal blue. So I'm gonna use this one first, and starting from the outer corner of my brows. Then I'm gonna take this Tiffany blue and color up the inner brows. Inner part of the brows. Okay, so today I'm gonna combine these two palettes, which are Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 2 palette, and also You Can Be Spotlight palette. First, from the Norvina palette, I'm gonna take B5, which is Electric Blue eyeshadows, and I'm gonna apply it on my crease. Then I'm gonna bring down the blue to the side of my nose. Then from the Spotlight palette, I'm gonna take this very dark blue and using this pointy pencil brush, I guess, and line my crease with it. I also start doing a pointy outer wing here because I want to create a lifted eyes effect. Then I'm just gonna blend it together with the first blue that we applied. For my brow bones, I'm gonna take D1, which is a silvery bluish kind of glitter or shimmery. I think this is a shimmer eyeshadow. Yeah. I start doing my cut crease using Dermacol concealer code 211. Then I'm gonna take C1, which is a beautiful beige champagne color, and dab it on my lid. Make sure to tidy up the crease so that it looks sharp and neat. Then I'm taking C-Coat eyeliner and line my eye. Next, I'm gonna add Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Black eyeliner to darken up the line that we did. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna use the same dark blue eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna create a curve, I guess, from my outer corner to my cheek. Then I'm gonna take B5, the electric blue color, and blend the dark blue. Then I take D1 and put just a tiny bit on top of the electric blue. On my inner corner, I'm gonna apply C1 just at my lower inner corner. Then I line my upper waterline using Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Kohl Kajal. For my waterline, I'm just gonna line up until the middle of my pupil. Today's mascara, I'm gonna use a waterproof mascara by Silky Girl. To make it more interesting, I'm gonna apply the glitter, the silver glitter, on the inner corner of my brows. So I'm going to take the same dark blue eyeshadow from the Spotlight palette, start contouring my cheek because I have very chubby cheek nowadays. I gain weight. I wonder why I gain weight. Then the electric blue and blend it together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think I want to draw some snowflakes. I'm gonna use this white face paint from Imagic Cosmetics and just use detail brush. For the shading, I'm gonna use D5 by Norvina palette and a very tiny brush as well, and start shading only on the side of the snowflakes. Cool. Now I have snowflakes on my forehead. I should be proud of myself. I'm gonna add some gemstone. I know this one is for my forehead. I'm gonna improvise it and put it on my cheeks instead. For my lips, I'm just gonna outline my lips using the blue face paint. Then I'm taking the Tiffany blue face paint and fill in the center of my lips. I'm gonna wear my cheek crown and the faux fur floor mat that I found around my house.
1, 2, 3, 4.